Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, October 13th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and SPY. Just a quick note, I have to leave today around 2 p.m. Should be back by the end of the day to have the video at the normal time. I don't know if we'll be back to see at least Mo do his action. So, again, we're going to try to make this as simple as possible this morning. Right now, SPY's overnight high is 361.12. The overnight low is 356.52. The market just got a pretty nice pop here as they're trying to decide over in England, to try to tamper down the fears on what's going on over there as the Bank of England keeps announcing different things. But here's the bottom line. That doesn't matter. CPI, again, it's going to matter what the algos do, but your reaction to it is going to matter. Doesn't matter what the numbers are. The bottom line is this. We had an inside day yesterday, okay, in ES, SPY, Qs, and triple Qs. Right now, you want to call it balance, you can call it balance. For me, it's down to balance on the daily. So one of two things is going to happen. I do not believe we'll open inside of yesterday's range come 9:30. If we do, I would stay out of it because you're going to come out of it at some point. This would be tremendous chop if we were to open inside of it. Now, we do have a 13-wide POC. Let's not forget that. So if you open inside of it, or if you fail above the inside day or below the inside day, you will go trade at it. That's for sure. Another thing to keep in mind, if you fail at it, right, inside day, you go with it and monitor it for continuation or lack of. Well, if you get lack of, say, to the upside and come back in, you're going to trade there. If you get no continuation from the downside and come back in, you're going to trade there. That you can take to the bank. If you get continuation from the upside, well, now you'll be back firmly in balance. It's a 4-day balance, a 5-day balance, including today. Then there'll be the levels you're going to go get. That would be the 11th high, then the 10th high, right? Then we have the trend day from the 7th we haven't taken back. Remember, this market is incredibly short. So if that's the case and we do get acceptance above yesterday's high, you're going to have higher value, firmly back in balance, inside day up. Look for longs. On the flip side, if we take out yesterday's low, we're going to 99.9% take out the 11th low, which means you'd be coming from down to balance, back to down, out of an inside day. If you can't get back inside yesterday's range, we'll look for nothing but shorts with lower value. There are 3 weekly lows or 2 weekly lows not too far away from these lows from yesterday in ES and SPY. Those would be easy targets. The next really big target would be around the 350 level, 3,500 level. That's really your last line of defense on the downside until things can get pretty nasty if you got acceptance below it. So I expect a big move one way or the other today. If it's to the upside, you're going to get some massive vicious short covering. If it's acceptance below yesterday's low, those algorithms are going to absolutely lock on those 2 weekly lows and then the 350 level, and that's going to be the big question if that is to hold. That's basically your game plan in a nutshell early this morning. And then, just quickly on the chart, so here's the daily. Inside day. You come out of it to the upside and we hold yesterday's high, you're going to take back a lot of these 4 days because shorts are going to be scrambling. On the flip side, you come out of it to the downside. Again, there's those 2 weekly lows below us, the 3,500 level, the 350 level in SPY. See if that's going to hold. Good luck trading today. Come check us out. You have time to sign up right now prior to the opening at CamelbackTrading.org. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.